Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange your player, especially the heroes player, to become a heroes token. So what you need to do is tap the exchange button at the bottom of your screen. As you can see, there are four options here. I want to show you, I'm sorry, let's get back. I want to show you this one. Heroes Journey 23. Scroll to the right. This one. Heroes Token 2. It's about 120 tokens that you can get by trade with this one. There are exchange condition. 30 player of Heroes Master. For example, I just have one, so I need to collect until 30 cards of this player and exchange it to become heroes token. And this token can be exchanged for prime heroes in Heroes Alliance. So after collecting some amount of this heroes token, you can get the prime heroes. Go to live events, tap the Heroes Journey 23, tap the Heroes Alliance. So after you get some this one heroes token, you can get this player. For example, you have to save until 220 heroes token to get this Sydney Gufu, and on top of them is Claudio Marchisio, 6,000 tokens of Heroes Journey. So save it up. Be patient. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.